Bob the roller was a very happy roller. He loved to work and help people. One day, Bob was working at a construction site when he encountered a problem. The road under construction was very bumpy and uneven. Bob knew that he had to do something to help, so he started rolling over the road. Bob rolled over the road many times, and finally the road became flat. The workers were very happy with Bob's work and they praised him very much. Bob was very happy that he was able to help, and he knew that he had done a great job. Later, Bob was assigned the task of building a new road for a small village. The old road had been damaged by a flood, and the villagers desperately needed a new road to travel on. Bob was very excited about his new assignment, and he knew that he would do a good job. Bob rolled over the road for many days, and finally the road was completed. The new road was very beautiful and smooth, and the villagers were very happy. They thanked Bob very much for helping them to have a new road. Bob was very happy that he was able to help the villagers, and he knew that he had done a useful job. Bob was a very happy and kind roller, and he was always willing to help people. One day, Bob was rolling down the road when he met a rabbit. The rabbit was stuck in a hole, and it could not get out by itself. Bob felt sorry for the rabbit, so he helped the rabbit out of the hole. The rabbit was very grateful to Bob, and it gave Bob a bouquet of flowers. Bob was very happy that he was able to help the rabbit.